20 major reasons why skilled trades are killing college degrees in 2026. The lie is finally collapsing. Let's stop pretending. College didn't suddenly lose value. It was oversold for decades, and now the bill has come due.
What the hell?
For generations, people were told the same script. Go to college, take on debt, figure it out later. And if it doesn't work, that's somehow your fault. In 2026, that narrative is falling apart in real time. I'm JV Charles. I spent over 30 years in the skilled trades industry on real job sites under real pressure around real consequences. I didn't learn from theory, I learned from what works and what doesn't. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Skilled trades are no longer the backup plan. They're outperforming college degrees across income, stability, and long-term security. On this channel, we provide expert analysis on high-paying skilled trades so you can make informed decisions. Whether you're switching careers or choosing the right trade from the beginning, this isn't anti-college, this is anti-delusion. Let's break down exactly how the trades are winning. But first, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so we can keep bringing you this killer content. Reason number 1, student loan debt is not good debt. It's a leash. In 2026, millions of people are carrying 5- and 6-figure debt for degrees that didn't deliver the promised return. That debt controls where you live, what job you accept, how much risk you can take, and whether you can quit a bad situation. Trades flips that equation. You earn while you learn. You build income, not liabilities. You start with momentum instead of regret. Reason number 2, time is the most expensive currency. College demands years before you're allowed to earn seriously. Trades don't. While college students are paying tuition, trades workers are stacking experience, certifications, overtime, and benefits. By the time many graduates get their first real job, the skilled tradesperson already has the leverage. Time favors the trades every time. Reason 3, demand is skyrocketing and supply is collapsing. This is basic economics. The skilled trades workforce is aging out fast. Retirements are accelerating and young replacements aren't coming in fast enough. That creates scarcity, and scarcity drives wages. This isn't speculation, it's already happening in 2026. Reason 4, AI is a white-collar problem, not a trade problem. AI can automate emails, it can replace analysis, and it can reduce office headcount. But AI cannot climb a transmission tower in a storm. AI cannot weld pipe under pressure. AI cannot troubleshoot a failing industrial system at 2 a.m. Trades exist in the physical world, and that matters and pays big. Reason number 5, 6-figure trade incomes are not exceptions. This is where people get uncomfortable. Electricians, linemen, welders, operators, HVAC specialists, instrumental techs, 6 figures isn't rare. It's common for those who specialize, travel, or work overtime. No degree required and no debt required. Reason number 6, job security is built into real work. Power, water, energy, infrastructure. These don't disappear in recessions. Office roles get restructured. Trades stay essential. That's real security. Reason number 7, trades actually reward effort. Most salaried jobs cap upside. Trades don't. Want more money? Work overtime. Travel. Take harder jobs. Learn specialty skills. Effort translates directly into income and benefits in the skilled trades industries. Reason number 8, trades teach what exactly makes money. College teaches theory. Trades teach application. You don't graduate wondering if you're employable. You already are. That confidence changes everything in 2026. Reason number 9, union and non-union both beat the degree track. Unions offer pension, healthcare, structured raises, stability. Non-union offers faster scaling, flexibility, business ownership. Both paths outperform debt. Heavy degree careers just aren't it in 2026. Reason number 10, entrepreneurship is built into the trades. Starting a trades business is one of the most direct paths to independence. Plumbing, electrical, HVAC, welding, low barriers, constant demand, and real margins equal real money. Reason number 11, degree inflation killed the advantage. Degrees used to signal rarity, now they signal participation. Trades care about capability, not credentials. Reason number 12, performance matters more than politics. In the trades, can you do the job? Can you show up? Can you solve the problem? That's it. No corporate theater, no resume gymnastics. Reason number 13, certifications beat 4-year detours. Targeted certifications lead directly to work. No filler, no fluff, and no wasted years and no college debt. Reason number 14, fewer people entering and more opportunity. Everyone was pushed towards college. That left a massive vacuum in skilled labor. Those who step in now have leverage most people will never experience. Reason number 15, trades fit how real people operate. Not everyone thrives behind a screen or in a cubicle. Trades reward hands-on thinkers, problem solvers, and people who want tangible results. Reason number 16, travel trades expose the pay gap, expanded. This is where the illusion completely breaks. Shutdowns, turnarounds, storm recovery, emergency response, traveling tradespeople routinely earn in 1 year what degree holders chase for a decade. Why? Because when systems fail, credentials don't matter, results do. Nobody asks where you went to school when millions are on the line. They ask, can you fix it or not? Reason 17, America's infrastructure is failing. This isn't political, it's physical. Aging power grids, failing water systems, outdated industrial facilities, all of this requires skilled labor now and for decades to come. Money can be printed, labor cannot. Trades are the bottleneck, and that bottleneck gets paid. Reason 18, trades provide real pride and purpose. Many degree careers feel abstract and disposable. Trades don't. You can point to what you built. You can see the impact of your work. You know you matter. That sense of purpose keeps people grounded and sane and wealthy. Reason number 19, college no longer guarantees employment. Degrees don't guarantee jobs anymore. Trades almost always do, if you're reliable. Showing up on time, skilled, and accountable now beats most resumes. That's not an insult, that's just reality for 2026. Reason number 20, without trades, society stops. No electricians, no power. No linemen, no recovery. No welders, no pipelines. No mechanics, no movement. College can pause, trades cannot. Every modern convenience depends on skilled labor most people never think about. That gives you trades unmatched leverage. Big money, big retirement, and big benefits. Here's the final truth. What actually wins? College isn't evil, but it's no longer the default path to success, and pretending otherwise hurts people. Skills pay the bills, scarcity creates leverage, reality always wins. That's why on this channel we break down high-paying skilled trades so you can make informed decisions about switching careers or starting the right one from the beginning. If you want control instead of debt, if you want income instead of promises, if you want a future built on reality, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, drop a question below. I'm JV Charles, and this channel exists to tell you the truth, whether it's comfortable or not.